Hey everyone, if you're a mom, if you're a beginner, or someone who is tired of seeing this easy money online, this video is for you. I'm a mompreneur and I have started a 30-day experiment actually to see if an AI influencer can actually make money online without ads, without a big audience, and without pretending everything is working. This is day 3. And today I'll show you what I did, what didn't work, and also what honestly surprised me. Okay, now I've been on YouTube and also on social media for years. I've tried different things: content creation, affiliate marketing, digital products, and all those things. And if I'm being honest with you guys, the results have been slow and also frustrating. As a mom, time is actually limited, and also my energy is limited, and I want to test something realistically, not something that requires posting 10 times a day or running paid ads. So I asked one simple question: can an AI influencer do the heavy lifting and eventually make money for me as a real mom with a real life? I decided to document everything publicly on this channel, and the wins, the silence, the awkward days where nothing happens. Now, today it is day 3 of the challenge, as you can see from the title. So here is exactly what I did on day 3, and I'm going to be revealing everything while I'm showing real numbers, so that if you're starting anything to do with AI influencers, these steps you have to follow, or maybe you have to do some of these things that I've done. So I posted, like I said, if you haven't seen my previous videos, guys, you can go back and start from where I started to create the AI influencer, how I created the tools, how I created her, the tools that I used, and everything. Okay, we even gave her a name, Nyla Tech, and also a brand, and also we built her Instagram, as you are seeing on my screen here. And for the third day, this is her Instagram. As you can see, she's still new, and even though she's still new, it is a new brand name, everything. I have included the name, the buy, and everything. The challenge here when I started was actually I started with this video, the first one, which was actually she was promoting this affiliate product. But again, I realized that this is not the good approach, because people don't know this person. They think that it is a real person, but it's not a real person. And also for someone to buy something, they might build a relationship. So she must first actually build her brand, build the trust, the people that she's talking to, her audience, so that people can actually buy some of the things. So that was the mistake I was doing the first time, and I came to realize, and I changed the narrative, whereby right now I'm just giving what I want to focus on, actually giving value, especially to black women, or maybe to dark melanin girls like me. And I'm gonna be picking the niche for her in terms of beauty, or in terms of actually pigmentation. So that's what solving some of the problem that we black women normally go through. So that's what I want to build on her channel. Now, as you can see, day 3, this the video, or maybe the post I have, this is a reel, and on this reel, let's click on it. Actually, this is the second one. Let's see the first one first. So this was the first one that I actually posted on the same day. It is around 4 days, and you can see, let's hear, I don't know if you can hear what she's saying. Where should I click for voice? Okay, yeah, here.
I want something simple that just works. It runs on solar power, sends alerts when motion is detected, and lets me check my home anytime from my phone. It's one less thing to worry about. I wanted something simple.
Okay, so that was the first reel, and for the first time it got some it has some it has 12 views. So this is the interaction 1, likes 1, 0 comments, 0 saves, and stuff like that. Now let's go to the other one, just to show you how tricky it is. So this is another reel that I did the following day, and you can see it has 9 views. So far no comments, no stuff like that. Okay, let me show you, let me click so that you can see.
Dark skin girls, wrong actives, no SPF, over exfoliating, killed my glow.
Okay, so that is it. Those are the numbers. And then I have this post. This is just a post, and you can see this one. Let's see this one. I don't know. Yeah, this one has 14 views. It has from profile, and then from hashtags. People are looking for the hashtag that I used. It has 3 likes, and also account reach 6 and interaction 6. Actually, this one had some interaction, some likes, 3 comments, and the people who are commenting actually were like they want to promote this brand or post and stuff like that. And then we have this one. That's the Instagram. So far so good. That is the day 3. Actually, it is day 4 for her in terms of being online, but for me it is day 3 for posting on this channel. Now let's go to her TikTok. Something very interesting. 0 followers, 0 following, 6 likes, and these are the numbers. The video got 155. Remember, initially it was not here, so it has moved. And then this video has 149. This video has 84. This one has 663. Wow, the video that we actually, what I changed, like when I changed the narrative, because I want to focus on black girl, the dark skin girl, in terms of actually care and stuff like that. So this video, the one that we just saw, had 600 and what, it had 663 views as per today. Okay, that's super amazing, surprising. So those are the main apps that I'm focusing on, that we started fresh. Okay, now remember on the Instagram, I actually added a link tree, and for now it is only one product that is on the link tree, and also link to my main channel, and also link to TikTok, and I don't know if it is TikTok or Instagram. Now we have 4 views, we have 1 clicks, 25 click rate, 0 subscribers, 0 earnings, and you can see all of them. They are here. Okay, the inside, they are here. That's amazing. It is something that it is amazing, because you can see it tells us something that people are actually clicking on them, on the link tree on her Instagram, but we need to find more ways to actually promote our products. And like I said, now this video that I'm talking about, that had 600, talking about black girl sports and stuff like that, I still haven't added the product that I want her to promote on the link tree. I'll do it and post on the maybe the next video, whereby we will see if someone will click and buy stuff like that. Now let's see to the product that she has been promoting. I was using mostly this product from AliExpress, and you can see, yes, we still have some good numbers in terms of clicks, and also we have actually, you can see 13 total views, total clicks, and page view 2, and also we have 2 unique visitors, which means if we continue to post, we might have some good numbers in terms of actually these products that we want to promote. Remember, it is just one product that I have linked and she is actually promoting. So hopefully when I add more product, she's gonna be actually doing what she's gonna be actually promoting, and also people might be doing what people might actually be doing, what people will be seeing her products, and also building the brand, and also trusting her, the problem she's solving, and she can actually, we're gonna be trying together, guys. Let's not be hopeful, and also let's not be discouraged. I know by now people might be saying, why don't you just quit this challenge? Or maybe you might be starting off, if you have started and you are thinking, why don't I just quit about any dream or maybe anything that I'm trying on. I don't quit. My message for today's video is actually don't quit. This is just day 3 of the challenge, and you guys, we are here for 30 days of this challenge to see if AI can actually promote our products as busy moms, so that we can focus. If we know, then we won't waste much time to actually on this, but we will find other ways to make money. And let me tell you, be honest with you, while I'm doing this, remember, I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm doing a lot of things behind the scenes, you guys, and this is just one project that I'm diving in. Luckily, the link, or maybe you can find where I actually, and you can see her consistent in terms of her image wise or her brand. The tool that I used, actually I showed you, I've been using different tools, but one thing about the tool that I'm using to actually create her, it is that it keeps that identity, which is so good in terms of actually if you are building a brand or if you want her to be trusted by people. Okay, so guys, that was it for day 3. I hope you are also building something, or maybe you have tested this, and if you're building, please comment below in the comment section what are you into. And also I would like you to push this video by commenting, telling me day 4, bring day 4, just type day 4 and I'll be so glad to reveal to you day 4. Maybe she's gonna be making some sales, or maybe not, but we are just in experiment mode and I want to take you along so that you can learn. Like I said, today I learned something simple, or maybe something very important when it comes to actually selling anything online, that you have to first find the pain points, or maybe you find the problems people are going through, and then start building your audience and also start finding ways to solve that problem. Okay, so that is the point of this video today, and we're gonna be taking that direction. I'll see you next in my next videos. Take care and see you.
Hey everyone, I'm Nyla, your new dark skin beauty tech guide. Finally here on the channel to share what actually works. Real mistakes I've made, real products that deliver. Stick around, we're glowing up together.